Microsoft Office is a well-known package of applications that most of us have encountered, whether in personal or business environment. The three most commonly used applications in this package are Microsoft Word, which is used for word processing, Microsoft Excel, which is used for working with spreadsheets, and Microsoft PowerPoint, which is used for creating presentations. This collection of apps undoubtedly has numerous advantages, but its cost can be unnecessary expense for regular users who do not use it for work, especially for those who only occasionally need it for writing text or creating presentations. One of the best, if not the best, free alternative for Microsoft Office is LibreOffice. This package of applications is completely free, and the people behind this project claim that it will always remain so, meaning it will be free for everyone. Additionally, LibreOffice is open source, which means its code is available for everyone. Anyone with the necessary knowledge can participate in the further development of the applications. A significant advantage of this app suite is that it's available for all major operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. If you use multiple operating systems, you can install it on all of them and enjoy a consistent experience. LibreOffice is also available for mobile devices, meaning you can install it on phones running Android and iOS. After downloading and installing the LibreOffice, launch the program. The download link will be in the video description. On the right side, you will see a list of all the applications included in this package. Writer, the equivalent of Microsoft Word, used for word processing and document creation. Calc, the equivalent of Microsoft Excel, used for working with spreadsheets. Impress, the equivalent of Microsoft PowerPoint, used for creating presentations. Draw, the equivalent of Microsoft Visio, used for creating diagrams and graphics. Math, the equivalent of Microsoft Equation Editor, used for creating mathematical formulas and expressions. Base, the equivalent of Microsoft Access, used for database management. If you are already a Microsoft Office user and want the LibreOffice environment to be more in line with what you are accustomed to, you can do so by following these steps. Click on View, then on User Interface. Instead of default layout, which is currently selected, choose the tab and click Apply to All. As you can see, you now have File, Home, View, and other options similar to Microsoft Office environment. You can additionally customize in settings and adjust everything according to your preference and needs. LibreOffice supports all Microsoft formats, allowing you to open Microsoft documents and save your files in these formats as well. This is particularly useful if you need to use Microsoft Office at work while preferring LibreOffice on your personal computer. This capability facilitates document sharing without the need for conversion. Thanks to everyone who took the time to watch this video. I hope you find it useful or at least informative.